Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your auto brightness not working on REALME P3. Let's begin. And we can begin by simply checking if we have our auto brightness enabled. And luckily, we can easily do that by simply expanding our control center and checking out the brightness panel. As you can see, by default we can just move around and lower the brightness or increase it as we want to, but did you know that you can click the sun icon to enable automatic brightness just like that? Seriously, that's all about it. You can lower the brightness, you can click the icon, and it's automatically set to auto brightness. Now, if for any reason this doesn't work for you, you can also do that via the settings. So I'm going to head into the settings, scroll down a little, enter home screen and lock screen, enter display and brightness, and here right below brightness we have auto brightness, which basically does the same thing. And what's even cooler is that we have lowest allowed brightness. So for example, we can change exactly how our auto brightness should behave, because by default it's actually pretty bad. So we can also reset it, and now we can fully customize this. And if you have troubles with that feature, you probably want to make sure that you don't have it to set up really low or really high. And you can always simply hit reset to just reset your options. However, if that still doesn't help you for whatever reason, I would also advise you to just reboot your device. Luckily for us, we can easily do that by pressing and holding power button, but not actually the power button itself, because by default we actually have digital assistants now, and if we want to have power menu, we want to go with power button and volume up button. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to press power button and volume up button, and now I will simply go with restart. Now I know that this may seem kind of silly, but trust me, it does really help. Whenever you reboot your device, you're not only rebooting the software, but hardware as well, including sensors that are detecting the light levels around you, and then using that information, the auto brightness feature can work. And yeah, I think that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.